Gonna smoke me a pan and brisket.
Yeah, we're gonna. Oh,
man.
Welcome to BBQPitBoys.com. Today we're cutting up some rib steaks at the pit, and it's real easy to do.
So now we're gonna go to this big old bone-in ribeye right here. We're gonna pop open this cryo. Make sure you use the right side of your knife. Pull out this one. Like I said before, pull it out nice and gently. You can keep it cleaner if you just pull it out. Try to leave the blood in the package. It takes a little practice, but you can pull it right out of there. Now you got yourself a big old bone-in ribeye. This is just going to be the whole ribs. I'm going to cut the steaks the whole way through without cutting the bone. So you're going to take a bigger knife, like this knife right here, take a nice old hick, go right through the first rib. I'm going to cut right on the side of the bone. So that way, see your first cut. Take your first rib right off. Now that's the chuck side, that's the best side right there. Look at the size of your eye. And you got this. So that's this is gonna be the size of your steak. It's gonna be about 3 inches, because each one's gonna be a rib steak. So this is so if you're gonna have your friends over that you like, whatever you want to do, have all your pit boys over, this is it right here. These are the mother of all steaks. Same thing, follow right down. Want to make it nice, one smooth transition, so that way you have a nice smooth cut. Follow it straight down, follow your bone. You feel when you get right through, you won't be cutting bone. Beautiful bone in, 3 inch, one full rib ribeye. Straight down. Follow your bone. Boom. Again, when you get your steaks like this, you're paying way cheaper. And you have self-satisfaction if you can do it yourself. And look at those look pretty bad right there. So these are called 7-bone ribs, 7-bone ribeye. So you have 7 steaks off one rib. And that's your steaks right there. And that's for your best friends, everybody at your pit. All set and ready to rock.
All right. Hey, here's Jitter. So the next time you're looking for some instructional videos on how to barbecue and grill, or you need a recipe, check out BBQPitBoys.com.